Jai Gurudatta. I hope everyone is doing well. Today, before introducing new concept, I just want you to watch this video.
సరిగ్గా ఊపిరి పీలిస్తే మనిషికి 98% జబ్బులు రావు. మనం అదే పని చేయం. దాని బదులు డబ్బులు పెట్టి సిగరెట్ కొనుక్కుని కాల్చి చచ్చిపోవడానికి రెడీ చేస్తున్నాం. మనం ఏం చేయాలి? గాలి ఫ్రీగా దొరుకుతుంది, అది పీల్చం. డబ్బులు పెట్టి సిగరెట్ కొనుక్కుని కాలుస్తాం. అలాగే
That's exactly what we are doing, right? With shallow breathing, we are inviting so many problems. I'll explain you this with a simple example. Think suppose you have lack of money. What you'll do? First, you'll cut down luxury. In the second step, you'll cut down your needs. That means somehow you're hurting yourself. In the same way, when you don't give enough amount of oxygen to the body, firstly, it will cut down your immunity system and presence of mind. Secondly, it will develop ailments like tiredness, dullness, lethargy, or indigestion. I guess by now you have already guessed today's topic, that is deep breathing. Let's start. I have already made a video discussing the benefits of deep breathing. If you want to know that, I'll share the link. You can check in the description. Before that, subscribe my channel. You can find the button nearby. But in my previous video, I never mentioned the technique of deep breathing. Today, I'm going to share the step-by-step process of deep breathing. This deep breathing includes diaphragmatic breathing, thoracic breathing, and clavicular breathing. Before going deep into the concept, let's understand the basic functionality of the lungs. When you inhale, air first reaches to the lower part of the lungs, then middle, and then it reaches to the upper part. Point number two, diaphragm is a dome-shaped skeletal muscle which sits under your lungs, separating your chest cavity from your abdominal cavity. I'm discussing this before because I don't want to do it in the middle of the explanation. So remember this point. Now let's discuss these three different types of breathings in detail. First, diaphragmatic breathing. When you inhale, air first reaches to the lower part of the lung and it expands. This expansion will push your diaphragm down and it parallelly pushes your stomach out. So, when you inhale, your stomach will come out. When you exhale, it will go inside. Second one, thoracic breathing. When you inhale deeply, air reaches to the middle part of the lungs and it expands in this direction. Clavicular breathing. When you inhale to the top of your lungs, it expands and your shoulders will raise. Observe carefully. When you inhale deeply, your stomach will come out in this direction and your chest will expand in this direction and your shoulders will rise in this direction. Isn't it looking like XYZ axis? That is why this deep breathing is also called as three-dimensional breathing or 3D breathing. Now I'll show you practically how these expansions look like. First, diaphragmatic breathing. Keep your hand on your stomach and inhale deeply. You can observe that your stomach is popping out. But most of my friends and students will complain that they have mismatch of the movement. That happens only because of shallow breathing will mess up the movement. With the practice, it will be normal. Number two, thoracic breathing. Keep your hands like this. Now inhale deeply. I think you can see the expansion. You will expand your chest. There is another way for this thoracic breathing. You can keep your hands under your armpit. Now inhale deeply. See, you can understand that your chest is already expanded. Number three, clavicular breathing. Keep your hands on your shoulders, crisscrossed. Okay. Now inhale to the top of your lungs. Sorry, let me inhale it properly. See, my shoulders are already raised. This is how you check the three types of breathing. With deep breathing, you can give more oxygen to the body so that each and every blood cell of your body will have strength to fight bacteria and give new energy to vitalize your body. To improve this deep breathing, you can practice Niyantrana Pranayama, which I am going to share in my next video. Once again, I'm reminding you, if you want to know the benefits of deep breathing, you can check the link in description. If you have any doubts or you want any asanas for your problem, you can always use the comment section and let me know. If you like my video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.